Good morning, students. Welcome to science class. How are you? I hope you all are healthy and fine. Now, what we have studied last time? We have studied about nutrients. So, tell me, if you will not eat nutritive food, means अगर आप रोज एक ही तरह का खाना खाएंगे तो क्या होगा? मान लीजिए यू लाइक पराठा एंड भिंडी की सब्जी, तो एवरी डे इफ यू विल हैव दिस मील ओनली, व्हाट विल हैपन टू यू? और यू लाइक बर्गर, तो अगर आप रोज बर्गर खाएंगे तो व्हाट विल हैपन टू यू? यस यस, टेल मी. यस मैम, you will suffer from the disease. Yes, you are right. अगर आप सेम टाइप का खाना खाएंगे तो आपको बीमार हो जाएंगे. Got it? और अभी आपने देखा है मॉनसून सीजन है, रेन इज फॉलिंग एवरी डे. सो क्या होगा? इससे आपको बहुत सारी बीमारियां होने का खतरा है. यू मे कैच फ्लू, कोल्ड, एनीथिंग. Clear? So today we will study about Unit 3rd, Lesson 5, Good Health, Diseases. Clear? So go through the video.
We will study about diseases. So let's start with the play. So you can see a class here. So one day when the class was going on, so you can see sir is standing and he is teaching the class. So sir saw Leena. So who is Leena? Leena is a student in the class and she came back to school after 3 days. So sir asked her, Leena, why were you absent from many days? As usual, when you are remaining absent in the class and we ask from you. So Leena replied. What was the Leena's reply? Sir, I was not well. So I was absent from last 3 days. So sir asked her, what happened to you? So she replied, Sir, I was suffering from common cold and fever. So I was not able to come to school. So what does this means? It means Leena was not in the condition of coming to school because she was unwell. It happens with you when you are unwell, you are not able to work properly. So you are remaining absent in the school. In the same way, she was unwell and she was absent in the school. So Leena was suffering from disease. So disease, which disease? She was suffering from common cold and fever. So what is disease? Disease क्या होती है? Disease जो है 2 words से मिलके बनी हुई है. What are these? Dis plus ease. Dis means no. Ease मतलब easy. So this means not comfortable. When you are not feeling comfortable, it means you are suffering from disease. So condition in which the body is not able to work properly. So whenever you are suffering from any disease, means common cold or cough, your body is not able to work properly. आपको headache भी होता है तब भी आपकी body properly work नहीं करती है ना. At that time you are not able to complete your work or listen to any teacher. तो आप क्या बोलते हो? Ma'am, I'm having headache, so I'm not able to do any work. It happens with you ना? होता है ना ऐसे ही? Yes. So you know disease is caused due to, पता है आपको बीमार कैसे पड़ते हैं? Disease is caused due to improper diet. When you are not taking healthy diet or balanced diet, then you may catch the disease. तो आपको क्या खाना चाहिए? Healthy food. And if poor hygiene means आपके आसपास में clean होनी चाहिए. Your surrounding should be clean and you should wash your hands regularly. आपको थोड़ी थोड़ी देर में हैंड्स वॉश करने चाहिए ताकि अगर कहीं से भी आपको जर्म्स अटैक कर दें तो अगर इफ़ यू विल वॉश योर हैंड्स प्रॉपरली देन दे विल गेट वॉश्ड अवे विद द वाटर एंड सोप. एंड देन lack of exercise and rest. I hope you all are doing exercise in the morning. So if exercise keeps you fit and healthy and you should take proper rest to refresh yourself. हमें proper rest करना चाहिए ना तभी तो हम fresh feel करते हैं. Yes or no? Yes. So disease can be classified into two. Disease दो तरह की होती हैं. अब आप पूछेंगे मैम what are these disease? These are communicable and non-communicable. So I know you don't know what are communicable and what are non-communicable disease. So I'm going to explain you what are communicable disease. What happens with you sometimes? When you are sitting with your partner and he or she is having cold, so after 1 or 2 days, you also get the cold. आपको भी हो जाता है. और in your family, if somebody is suffering from cold, you may catch the cold easily after 1 or 2 days. ऐसा होता है ना आपको? तो इसी को so the disease that spreads from one person to another, जो एक इंसान से दूसरे इंसान को हो जाती है, इसको हम communicable disease और infectious disease कहते हैं. Got it? So the disease that spread from one person to another is known as communicable disease or infectious disease. Got it? So I am explaining again what are communicable disease. Disease that are spread from one person to another, जो एक इंसान से दूसरे इंसान को हो जाती है. And communicable disease are known as the catching disease also because they spread from one person to another easily. And disease are caused by germs or pathogens. Now you are going to raise a question, ma'am. What are germs or pathogens? So germs are the tiny, very, very tiny microorganisms that we cannot see with our naked eye. We can only observe them under the माइक्रोस्कोप. इनको हम बहुत छोटे होते हैं जो हमें बिल्कुल नहीं दिखाई देते हैं और ये डिजीज को फैलाते हैं. तभी तो बोलते हैं ना we should wash our hands regularly. So the examples of pathogens are virus, bacteria, parasitic worms and fungi. Germs causing diseases. जो छोटे छोटे माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं ना जिनसे डिजीज होती है ये वही हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वायरस, बैक्टीरिया, प्रोटिस्ट, fungi. These are so tiny that we cannot see with our naked eye. We can only observe them under the माइक्रोस्कोप. ये माइक्रोस्कोप के अंडर में ही देखे जा सकते हैं. हम अपनी आईज से इनको नहीं देख सकते और ये पता है आपको बीमारियां फैलाते हैं. सो फर्स्ट वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द बैक्टीरियल डिजीज जो बैक्टीरिया से होती है. दीज आर द नेम्स ऑफ सम डिजीजेस विच आर कॉज्ड बाय बैक्टीरिया. सो यू शुड learn the name of these disease. These are cholera, typhoid, leprosy, plague, tetanus, anthrax, tuberculosis, whooping cough, diphtheria, pneumonia, diarrhea. Am I clear to you? Yes. Then disease caused by virus. You know what are virus? Virus are also tiny microorganisms and they are very inactive outside. They are like dead. But when they enter into our body, by any means, they become very active and they start dividing in our body and cause the disease. Got it? बाहर ये बिल्कुल इनएक्टिव होते हैं और जैसे ही हमारी बॉडी में एंटर करते हैं दे स्टार्ट डिवाइडिंग देमसेल्फ एंड दे कॉज द disease. So these are the names of some diseases which are caused by virus. These are rabies, influenza, West Nile virus, viral meningitis, polio, common cold, AIDS, chickenpox, smallpox, yellow fever, Ebola and SARS. Got it? You should learn these names. Then you know what is going on today. COVID-19 is spreading very fastly in our country and in whole world. So do you know CO means corona, VI means virus, D for disease, and it occurs in 2019. So 19. So COVID-19 is also a viral disease. आपने पढ़ा है ना इसके बारे में? Yes. Then protozoan disease. Protozoan disease, protozoa is also a microorganisms and it causes many diseases. These are amoebiasis, Kala-Azar, African sleeping sickness, malaria, giardiasis, ciliary dysentery. So I hope you have understood. So we will continue.